Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial. For this video, I will teach you how to blend photo edges in Canva. So here, we can just go to one of our projects. Then maybe we can add a picture of a man. So here, we just select the image, go to apps, and go to image blender. So let's just wait for it to load. Image blender is here, so we just want to blend or fade. So here we have a brush tool here. We'll just wait for it. Or we can try the other one. If it doesn't work, we can go mixer. So we just select image mixer, then open. So mix selected image there. So here we can put the strength here, or the mix size. As you can see that it blends the edges of the frame, or we can just position it, but I prefer radial. So maybe the mix size, the strength of the blend. So we just press save. So here you can see that the images, the photo edges is successfully blended into the image itself. You can see that this is from the photo of the image, and this is the other image. So that's how simple it is to blend photo edges here at Canva. So once again, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for watching for more videos to come.